Boeing Everett, Boeing 211, and going into pain for 2 touch and goes, then the recovery to Boeing Field.
211, this is Boeing Everett, copy that, thanks.
Boeing Everett, Boeing 118 will be transiting your field in 15 minutes. 2 approaches, 4 souls on board.
Boeing Everett, roger, copy of.
Boeing Everett, 952 will be back about 20 past the hour.
952, this is Boeing Everett, roger, 20 past the hour. Thank you, Boeing Everett. And Boeing 952, this is Boeing Everett.
952, Boeing.
You've got a flyaway that's pushed back and is already in your tarmac area when you turn the corner.
Okay, thanks for the info, we can.
Everett, fire and security standby for station tones. Everett, fire and security, Susha tones, 426, first floor, column, Papa 6, 842, the 48th section. That is the 426, first floor, column, Papa 6, 842, the 48th section. Timeout, 1024.
Boeing Fire 311, how long has the employee been missing?
Everett, fire, that person's been missing a little over 5 minutes.
Boeing Fire 830, he's 312, 314.
Everett, fire, 1026.
Boeing Fire 316, responding Special Ops 30.
Boeing Fire, 1026.
Boeing Fire 830 is in the area.
830, I copy, you're on scene.
830, same traffic.
Boeing Fire, we're in the area.
Boeing Fire, 1028.
311 Special Ops, I'll be outside the door at S2.
Boeing Fire, 1029.
Boeing Fire 1030, can I get location of last known area for employee?
Last known area was the 4026, first floor, Papa 6, the 842, section 48.
Boeing Fire 1030.
Boeing Fire.
Employee has been located, improper use, and turned in a radio, be revoked and retrained. Time 30 back in service, switching to Bravo.
Boeing Fire, 1035.
Everett Fire going to have a takeoff, LCF with 2 on board, out of South Ring 3.
314.
Boeing Fire.